Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today in this pro tip I want to talk a little bit about the dangers of the chimney effect or piping. So piping or chimney effect is whenever there's heat coming from one place and it's traveling up via a channel to the user end, or you're operating your hands, these, the digits, the fingers. We don't want that. So I'm just going to showcase something here. Give me a second. Take my little wet rag here. I want you all to notice a little something about where the steam's coming from. If you can see that right there, that's how hot that is. That's enough to scald you right there on this end. Now if you notice, this is clear out of the forge here. The heat should be happening somewhere here, which you're getting some sizzle there, but the heat is enough to really hurt you still clear out to here. Reason for that being is that this creates a natural chimney effect. It creates a channel to where it can direct all the heat from the inside of the forge that's building up in there, and it travels. Heat wants to rise, and so as the air gets pulled in and gets heated inside of this channel, this is just a piece of angle iron here, it travels. It travels right up this piece, warming the entire length of this material. Now, this isn't only a danger for your hands and for your own personal safety, but this is also a danger for your shop. Say you have your gas forge or you have a coal forge and it's located near to something that may be combustible, maybe a wall, something of that nature. And as with this piece, it's a long piece. This is a long piece of angle iron that I'm heating here for a job, for a client's job. So you can see how long that piece is. It's nearly, again, it's probably 5 foot tall or so. 5 foot tall. If that piece, say the end of that piece was sticking out here, and say there was a wall here, and that end of that piece was coming up here, it could be directing the flames from your forge directly up against that wall. And that can cause a fire hazard for you. So just be mindful that chimneying happens not just in pipe, but it'll happen in anything that will trap hot air or flame and direct it in a certain path. This can happen in square tubing, angle iron, pipe, obviously. That's why they call it piping or chimneying. It can also happen in a stack of material. So let's say you have 9 or 10 bars all loaded up inside your gas forge, and they're just all sitting up there on the top of each other baking. Those in of themselves can trap air underneath them or trap flame and roll that flame out and create a potential burning hazard. So that's it for this pro tip. Again, just a word of caution. Be sure to check out your forges, and if you're having any troubles with those type of chimneying effects, do some things to take and prevent them, like put a rag around the opening of where it's coming out at, where you might use your hands to grip it, and just make sure all of your non-flame retardant materials are very far away from your forge. So again, that's it for this pro tip. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. And if you haven't been over to our website here of late, we have tons of great information there to help the burgeoning artists, blacksmiths out there, and to help you along your journey in blacksmithing. Everything from power hammer plans to different business helps to help you sell items and things like that. So go check that out. The link for that's in the description. It's blacksmithpdfs.com. So without further ado, I'm going to get back to forging. God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next one.